how you can become an AI-powered engineer. In today's market, there are so many tools available. From those, we are picking very few coding AI tools to explain you how can you make use most of it. In the screen, you can see there are so many sectors available. From those, we are picking the sector of coding and we will explain you how GitHub Copilot Labs, ChatGPT works and which you can utilize and increase your productivity and save your time. In this slide, we will discuss the overview of AI and its applications in software development. What is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. These intelligent machines can be trained to perform various tasks by processing large amount of data and recognizing patterns in that data. There are many potential applications for AI in software development. From those, I listed down 4. Coming to the first one, automate code generation. AI-powered tools like GitHub Copilot, Tab9, ChatGPT, these can analyze set of requirements and generate code that meets those requirements. This can save developers time and reduce the risk of errors. Second one, debugging. AI can be used to identify and fix the bugs in code. By analyzing large amount of data, AI can identify patterns that may indicate the presence of a bug and suggest potential fixes. Test automation. AI can be used to automate the process of testing code. By generating test cases and analyzing the results, AI can help ensure the code is reliable and performs as expected. Coming to the last one, project management. AI can be used to help manage software development projects by analyzing data such as team's performance and project progress to identify potential issues and suggest solutions. In this slide, we'll discuss the importance of staying up to date with AI tools. It is important for software developers to stay up to date with AI tools and techniques because AI is increasingly important part of software development landscape. By staying current with AI tools and technologies, developers can better understand how to apply AI to their work and how to build applications that incorporate AI in a meaningful and effective way. There are several reasons why staying up to date with AI tools is important. From those, the first one is improved efficiency. AI tools can automate many tasks that are time consuming or tedious for humans to perform, allowing developers to focus more high level tasks. Second one, better decision making. AI can help developers make better decisions by providing them with insights and predictions based on data analysis. Third one, increased competitiveness. As AI becomes more prevalent in the software industry, those who are proficient using AI tools will be in high demand and may have an advantage in the job market in the future. New opportunities. Staying up to date with AI tools can open up new opportunities for the developers to work on innovative projects that leverage AI technologies. Overall, staying up to date with AI tools is important for staying competitive as software developer and for staying relevant in the industry that is rapidly adopting AI. This is the last slide in this chapter. In this slide, we will discuss the possibilities with tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT. As discussed in the previous slides, if you utilize GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT, they improve the efficiency for better decision making, increased competitiveness, and to see the opportunities in the market, we have to learn these AI powered tools. This is all theoretical knowledge in this session. In the next session, we will deep dive into it practically. We will see how to install and use GitHub Copilot Labs, and ChatGPT.